Welcome, everybody, and I'm Jenny, and, well, we got a daily deal, and you know you want to know, so come on in, and on your way in, please like, share the video, leave me an emoji and a comment. Super duper important right now for YouTube. And if you're not one of our crazy friends and you just stopping by to check us out, well, lucky you, because today is Dove Day. Yeah, we're going to double dip on some Dove. And you want to know too. So please, leave me a comment and emoji, just like our regular crazy friends. And then we're going to make you a crazy friend. Look below and hit that red button and that notification bell, and let's smash both of them. And now you're a crazy friend. You're one of us. And you're going to get all the deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information that we have almost every day. So thank you and welcome. Everybody, look, we're going to get a little dovey because we've got a double dip Dove deal. Boy, say that one 10 times. We've got some Dove hair care, and it's been a little while since we've had such a good coupon on Dove hair care. So I thought, since it's double dipping, that we need to be stocking. So let's have a look at what we've got going on. You got a $4 manufacturer coupon on 2 Dove hair products. And it says it excludes twin packs. Okay? So this is glitching. Ha ha, yes, a Dove glitch. Yes, in more ways than one. But this is going to be the best way to use it. Now, you also have a $3 off when you spend $10 on Dove products. It is attaching to these 2 twin packs or double packs. The anti-frizz oil therapy and the daily moisturizing. So they are $8.25. And at $8.25, you only need a little bit of more Dove hair. It's got to be Dove hair to make the deal. Now, it has to be a hair care product because we've only gotten one of the twin packs. So we got to get 2 Dove products. And your single Dove is $6.50. Or you can get the Dove dry shampoo, and it's about the same price. So you're going to be at $14.75 with these 2 items. You're going to be getting $7 off. That leaves you $7.75 out of pocket for shampoo, conditioner, and a single Dove shampoo or conditioner. Most of us women, especially if you have long hair, use more conditioner than we use shampoo, so purchasing a second conditioner makes perfect sense. So, for less than the price of the shampoo and conditioner, you're going to get 3 of those items. Now, that's a winner deal. That is less than $2.50 an item or somewhere around that for your Dove. And like I said, this can be a stock up. If you've got 2 accounts, you do this twice, and your single product on one of those will be a shampoo, and your single product on the other one be a conditioner. Now you have, now you have a set of 3 for yourself. And all you have spent is $15.50. So you will have saved $14. And of course, if you put this in a scenario, you can even save more. Because this is only $14.75, so you need $10.25 more. Easy enough to make up on Saturday. So that is your daily deal. That's a deal you can do any day of the week. Super cheap. Use your lunch money. Take a peanut butter sandwich. Now, you want to get it even cheaper? And I know you do. We can do this deal on Saturday, and we're going to combine it with these items. We are going to pick up some of this Unison lotion because we've got one for $4.30, and we got this $3 coupon that's going to attach to it, making it $1.30. Next, we've got a glitch, guys. Yes, we've got a dial glitch. This $2 on 2 dial body washes is attaching to the travel size Jasmine body wash. The 11 fluid ounce, $2.55 Jasmine body wash. So you'll pick up 2 of those at $5.10. You'll get $2 off. Now, if you actually use this body wash on a regular basis, you might want to go ahead and do the 2, because this deal is so good that you can afford to do this in this deal. So, depending on what your needs are, if out of pocket is more important to you, then stick to the travel size. If having the product, because you use it, is more important, get the big one. And lastly, we're going to add this $1 Oral-B. Well, I'm tongue-tied this morning. Oral-B toothbrush to this. And if you don't have the Oral-B still, find you a $1 item or close to one of our other glitching items like the Bounty paper towels or the Charmin toilet paper if your store carries them, to keep your out-of-pocket kind of in line with what we have. Now, total items that you've got for this 5 off of 25 transaction is going to be the Dove Twin Pack, a Dove Single shampoo or conditioner, a Unison lotion, the 2 dial travel, and the Oral-B toothbrush, and we need one more item. And our last item is going to be these Always Discreet liners. Now, if you don't need the Always Discreet liners, again, find an item that is about the same price point that's free. And the only other item that is about the same price point that is free, if you haven't used it, is the Airwick Warmer. You've got a $4 digital coupon for that, and that's another free item. So, this or the Airwick Warmer. If you use these, you use the pads and not the liners for $6.50, again, just change it in the transaction. This transaction is that good. Now, we have got 8 items. Your total is $25.45. So you're really close. Make sure you watch that subtotal. If you need to, throw a piece of candy or something in there with it. But your coupons are $22, guys. So you're out of pocket for this transaction for 8 items will be $3.45. And that is Colonel Sanders time. Yes, it is. And you're welcome. I get so stoked when I see that kind of math right there, guys. 8 items, $3.45 on stuff like Dove and Always. I mean, come on. Got a little bit of everything for your bathroom trip. You can wash your hair, take a shower, lotion up afterwards, brush your teeth, and, of course, protect yourself. All in one transaction. So there you go, guys. That's your daily deal and your 5 off 25 scenario to go with that daily deal. So blessings. We'll talk again real soon because I'm going to find you some more.